It's really hard at the pace of life that people live today. It's really hard for people to create an environment for their children. I don't think kids need to biohack, but I do think that we as parents have to do everything we can to create an environment for our children that allows them to develop in the way they're meant to. And what that means is the foods that we feed them and buy for them. You know, kids will love gummy bears if you give them to them. If you don't have them in your house, not in a restrictive, you're not allowed to eat that kind of way, but if we help to develop our children's palate for real food, they will gravitate towards real food. They might not eat all the foods, but the most important thing with kids is we give them choices. So if the choice is steak, chicken, fish, they have a choice. If it's broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, they again have a choice. So if we can give them a choice, if we can teach them to play outside, because in our society right now, we're losing that.